Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2024 Hyundai Elantra and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you guys can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation for the headlight, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so now that we finished prepping the film, now we could apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, just to help the film tack down more faster to the headlight, apply Tack Solution right on the edge of the headlight here first. Place the film and make sure to align it right on the edge here first. So keep it aligned. Once you have it aligned, just apply a little bit more Tack Solution on both the adhesive side of the film and on the lens, and apply Tack Solution on top. Grab your squeegee and start tacking the film down. And make sure you help remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. And if you need to help the adhesive activate faster, just apply a little bit of heat around this area. That way this section stays tacked down and it doesn't shift when we stretch the film and align it to the other end. So just make sure before you apply heat to remove all of the solution around this area. So as you can see right now, it's secured, it's not moving, but just to make sure it doesn't move, just apply a little bit of heat. If you are going to apply a little bit of heat, just apply Tack Solution on the surface of the tint. Grab your heat gun and apply heat with the low setting just around this area. Okay, and now that we have this section secured, all we need to do is stretch the film and align it to that end. Okay, so just have your squeegee nearby, lift the film carefully, and apply just a little bit of Slip Solution on the edge here, and then Tack Solution on this side. That way once the film reaches this edge, it starts tacking down. So with this one, you want to stretch and align it at an angle that way it reaches this section here. So you could use both hands, stretching it here, and this one just so it stays aligned to the design of the headlight. So as you can see, it's starting to follow with the design of the headlight, but just help it bring it down. That way it stays aligned on top and covers the bottom. So hold it in position for a bit. That way the film is able to start molding to the design of the headlight. Hold it in position with one hand, and then with the other hand, apply Tack Solution and start tagging it down to secure it. So start securing it from this middle section. Secure the body line first. That way the film doesn't move, and just continue applying Tack Solution. That way your squeegee is able to just glide on the tint and not get stuck and create creases. Okay, now that we secured the film, all we need to focus on is removing the fingers in this middle section here. To remove the fingers, apply Tack Solution first on the top and bottom. Apply heat, that way we help shrink the fingers, and once the fingers have been shrunk, then we're going to use our squeegee and our microfiber towel and start tagging them down slowly. So just take your time shrinking these fingers, and then you should be good. So once you finish installing the tint to the headlight, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire tint. So just apply Tack Solution to the lens, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. Make sure we apply heat on the edges, that way it doesn't lift over time. You could use the high setting for this part, that way you help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Just make sure not to keep the heat gun in the same spot for too long, that way we don't accidentally burn the film. So go evenly throughout the entire film, take your time, and once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2024 Hyundai Elantra. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.